Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel C Tracker. We track all the important elections that concerns you to provide a sense of what's happening around. If you're first to this channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Today we decode the US President Poll 2020. Every 4 years, the Americans select their president. But how exactly does this work? First of all, there are only two major parties in the US, the Democrats and the Republicans. Both of them decide their candidates. In 2020 elections, it's Donald Trump from the Republican side and Joe Biden of the Democrat side. Donald Trump is currently the President of the United States. Joe Biden was the Vice President of US when Barack Hussein Obama was the President. Election takes place on the first Tuesday coming after November 1. Every registered voter over 18 gets to vote on that day to choose their president. However, the president is not elected directly. President is elected on the basis of electors awarded to the candidate. Each state has a different number of electors depending on the population of that state. The candidate who gets most number of votes in the state gets awarded with all the electors from that state. For example, let's say a state has 25 electors and candidate A secures more votes than candidate B. Then A gets all 25 electors and candidate B gets nothing. There is a total of 538 electors of all the 50 states in the US. The candidate who can secure more than half of the electoral votes won the elections. 270 is the electoral votes needed by a candidate to win the presidential election. All the electors constitute the Electoral College. These electors will vote on their states 41 days after the election. These votes are then counted on the US Congress in the beginning of January. Since the electors are designated to vote the candidates it represents, we can know the result right after the polls. In 2016, Hillary Clinton of the Democrats won 48.2% of all the total poll votes, where Donald Trump could only secure 46.1% votes, which means Mr. Trump was about 30 lakh votes behind Clinton. But Trump won 304 electors against 227 of Hillary Clinton could manage, which made him the 45th President of the United States. That's why US presidential elections can be very interesting. Even if you get more votes, you can lose on the basis of number of electors. A recent survey shows that Joe Biden, the candidate of the Democrat for the presidential poll, is 17 percentage points ahead of Donald Trump, who is the candidate of the Republicans, which seems like the US is going to vote in their 46th president.